Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, February 2nd, 2017. It's currently 9:16 a.m. and it is Groundhog Day, the one weird day where we consider a rodent being a meteorologist. If you're interested, well, one saw a shadow, one didn't. One is still trying to get some sleep because it wanted to sleep because it's a rodent. Novel idea. Look, in terms of Groundhog Day, and let me just say this, I want you to consider this. Let's say you're sleeping in your bed. You've had a long, long spring and summer, and you just want to get in your sleep because it's winter. And all of a sudden, someone decides to walk up while you're sleeping, pull you by your hair, and say, "Hey, what do you think about the rest of the winter?" You probably wouldn't be too happy either, too, huh? Yeah, probably not. I'm totally against this whole groundhog thing, mostly because it just annoys the groundhog. Leave the groundhog alone. Has enough things to do, right? Anyway, temperatures today, right now, range from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s in our suburbs, and upper 30s to lower 40s in our urban areas and along the coast. We have a series of cold fronts that will be on the way that will keep the threat for a few widely scattered rain and snow showers. No accumulation is expected, but don't be surprised if we run into a few flakes while you're driving around today. Look for temperatures to rise into the upper 30s to lower 40s throughout the region as cold air builds in, and you will definitely feel the cold air tomorrow as temperatures will struggle to break freezing throughout the region, and with the winds around from the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour, it is going to feel pretty cold out there with temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s for wind chills. So definitely bundle up for tomorrow. You're going to need it, especially when you're heading out to catch your bus or you're driving to work. On the radar, not much really going on. We do have a few widely scattered rain and snow showers. A lot of this is not reaching the ground, but what is very, very light and not really accumulating all that much as far as the snow showers are concerned. Just a bit dusting on some cold surfaces. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see cold front after cold front after short wave, little short wave trough here. And this is all going to swing on through today, keeping that threat for a few rain and snow showers in place and transporting that colder air into the region. So let's dive into this forecast. Now, the good news here is that although the weekend starts out cold, the cold air will not last. The bad news is if you're hoping for a lot of snowfall over the next 7 days, you likely will be disappointed. Although, if you like rain, probably not. So this afternoon again, watch out for a few rain and snow showers, temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. By tomorrow morning, look for scattered cloud cover, lows in the upper teens to lower 20s, but they're going to feel more like the single digits to lower teens because of that wind chill. Tomorrow afternoon, scattered clouds expected. A few flurries are possible. Look for highs, should I say, in the upper 20s to lower 30s, but will feel more like the upper teens to lower 20s, so definitely bundle up out there. On Saturday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover. Look for lows in the mid to upper teens, highs in the lower to mid 30s. A few upper 20s are possible in the northern interior. On Sunday, we will have this low pressure system that is now basically a trough, and this cold front moves through with a few widely scattered rain and snow showers. Not really that big of a deal. No accumulations expected. No real significant impacts. No winter storm. Temperatures on Sunday will range from the mid-20s for lows and upper 30s to lower 40s for highs. On Monday, that cold front will exit the region in the morning with a few rain and snow showers. Look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. Now, we're going to watch Tuesday very carefully. Now, see, what's happening is that this cold front's moving through and this high pressure system is going to take control and sit up to the north of the region in what we call the St. Lawrence River Valley by the time we get to Monday night. Meanwhile, this low pressure system is going to be organizing with this warm front. By Tuesday morning, we have this set up in place where we have cold air draining down and this warm front pushing north. And that leads to a wintry mess over the region. Now, for along the coast here, most likely what we'll see is a start off of snow, sleet, and rain, changing over to rain pretty quickly. Accumulation's pretty limited, but we have to watch the transition very carefully, especially if you're in the western suburbs of Philadelphia, the northwestern suburbs of New York City, and basically all of the northern interior, like northeastern Pennsylvania, around Scranton, Allentown, say up towards Hartford and Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, say around Poughkeepsie, White Plains. Cold air does not like to give way very easily. And although this warm front is going to be strong, that cold air is going to put up a bit of a fight. And that means there will be a threat for a nice little wintry mix before everyone goes over to rain later on in the day on Tuesday. So temperatures will be rising, but we're going to have to watch to see how slow this cold air is in eroding. The slower the cold air is in exiting, the more potential there will be for snow, sleet, and freezing rain, which will make an icy mess, especially over the interior. So we have to watch that very carefully on Tuesday morning. Look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs, which most likely will be in the evening, in the upper 40s to lower 50s, possibly even a few mid-50s over southern New Jersey, depending on how fast this warm front moves north. On Wednesday, the warm front is moving north of the region. It is basically driving in plenty of warm air. The cold front associated with this storm is still out here in the Ohio River Valley, but will move through in the evening hours. In the meantime, we have periods of rain throughout the day on Wednesday, and some of that rain will be heavy at times. Lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the mid to upper 50s. I would not be surprised if one or two locations in southern New Jersey or around the Philadelphia metro touch 60 degrees. But then the party comes to an end. The cold front exits, and with it, all that warm air. By the time we get to Thursday, high pressure will be building in. It'll be windy, and it'll be much colder, with lows in the mid-20s and highs in the lower to mid-30s. Many locations might not even break freezing on Thursday. So that's basically a 30-degree drop by the time we get to Thursday, and Friday is no better, with high pressure and control, so dry conditions, but lows in the mid to upper teens and highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. So winter is starting to put up a fight, but I really don't see any type of major winter storms, although an icy mess is definitely a high threat for Tuesday morning. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there and leave the rodents alone.